Fish. Fish. Fish starts with letter F. Fish. F-I-S-H. What is F? Is that F? What is F? I can't see F. Do you see F? Good job. That's F for fish. What's this animal? Do you know it? I know it. That's a rhino. Rhino starts with R. Rhino. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. Where is R? Do you see R? I can't see R. Is that R? Where is R? Oh, help me. That's R. Thank you. Good job. Next animal is raccoon. What letter does raccoon start with? R. Good job. R. Raccoon. What's that bird? That's a parrot. Parrot starts with P. Parrot. Is that P? No. Is that P? No. Is that P? No. Is that P? Yes. Great. That's P. P for parrot. Next animal is turtle. Turtle starts with T. Let's look for letter T. Is that T? No, that's H. That's I. And that's J. So what is T? That's T. Thank you. T. It's a cat. Cat starts with C. That's C. A, B, C. That's C. Next one is, what's this animal? Do you know it? I know it. But do you know it? That's zebra. Zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Z for zebra. Do you know this animal? It starts with letter T. You got it. T. T for tiger. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Let's look for T. Yes, just like turtle. Starts with letter T. Next one. What's that animal? That's a hippo. Hippo. Hippo starts with letter H. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Let's look for letter H. Is that H? No. Is that H? No. That's not H. That's X. H. H. That's I. And that's J. Yes, correct. That's H. H for hippo. What's that animal? That's a dog. Dog. Dog starts with D. Is that D? No. 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 Is that D? Yes, thank you. That's D. Do you know this animal? That's alligator. Alligator starts with A. A. Let's look for A. That's not A. That's not A. That's not A. No, that's not A. Yes, that's A. Next animal. That's a. Do you know it? I know it. But do you know it? Yes, that's panda. P. P. Where is P? P, P, P. Where is P? Good job. Just like a parrot. Parrot starts with P. Panda starts with P. What's that animal? That's elephant. Elephant. Elephant starts with E. Let's look for E. That's not E. That's not E. That's not E. Yes, that's E. Is it? Yes, yes. It is E. E for elephant. Next one. That's a frog. Frog. Frog starts with F. F. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. What is F? That's not F. That's B. That's C. That's D. That's E. And that's F. F. Frog starts with F. Just like a fish. Fish starts with F. Frog starts with F. Next one. What's that animal? That's monkey. Monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. M. What is M? That's A. That's B. G. L. M. 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 Monkey. M for monkey. Next is that's a rabbit or bunny. Bunny. Bunny starts with B. Bunny. Where does bunny go? It starts with B. Where is B? Is that B? No, that's F and that's B. Good job. B. Next one is eagle. Eagle starts with E. Eagle. Where does eagle go? Starts with E. That's not E. That's V. And that's Q. And that's L. Is that one? No. Yes. Eagle just like elephant. It starts with E. E. Next one is snake. Snake starts with S. Do you see what the S is? That's not S, that's K, and that's L. N. What is S? Is that S? No, that's O. Yes, that's S. Snake. That's a bat. Bat. Bat starts with B. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Where does bat go? The bat goes to letter B. Next one. Do you know this animal? That's a gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla starts with G. 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 That's G. G. Where is G? Help us find G. No, that's not G. That's not G. Come on, that's not G. And that's not G. That's a G. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Next one. What that cute animal is? That's a deer. D-E-E-R. Let's look for D. Is that D? No. Where is D? Come on, guys. Help me. I can't find it. That's N. And that's O. And that's I. Yes. That's D. Deer, like dog. Next one. What's that animal? Do you know it? Looks like a tiger, but it's not. That's a leopard. Leopard starts with L. L. What is L? Is that L? Is that L? Is that L? No, I'm not. I'm W. Is that L? I'm X. Is that L? Yes, that's L. 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 For leopard. Let's move on. What's that animal? Do you know it? Yes, that's a giraffe. Giraffe starts with letter G. G. Giraffe. Let's look for G. That's not G, that's you. Is that G? No, that's not G. That's not G either. And that's not G, that's K. So, yes, giraffe. Just like gorilla starts with G. G for giraffe. What's that animal? That's a salamander. Salamander. Salamander starts with S. S. Salamander starts with S. Let's look for S. Help me, please. Is that S? No, that's X. What is S? What is S? That's S. Salamander, just like snake, starts with S. What's that animal? Do you know it? That's hyena. Hyena starts with H. 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 Hyena. What is H, guys? Is that H? What is H? I can't find H. Help me find H. Yes, hyena, just like hippo, start with letter H. You know this animal? That's bear. Bear. Bear starts with letter B. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Let's find B. Where is B? Do you see B? A, B. Exactly. A, B, C, D. That's B. Second letter is B. B for bear. Next, that's red. J. Red J. J. J starts with J. J. What is J? Is that J? No, that's not. And that's not. And that's not. Where is J? Where is J? Do you see it? Correct. That's J. J. Red J. J starts with J. Next animal. That's wolf. Wolf. Wolf starts with W. Wolf. W-O-L-F. What is W? W, 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 W. Is that W? No, that's U. So where is W? I can't see W. That's V. And that's W. Wolf. Wolf starts with W. W.